Hi everyone, Rick here from PMZ Real Estate. I'm out here today in Copper Creek, one of Modesto's favorite gated communities at 1109 Copper Cottage Lane, and I'd like you to get a look. Let's go inside. Inside we have 2 bedrooms with an office, possible 3rd bedroom, open concept living, and beautiful hardwood floors. It's all here. You're going to love this backyard. Low maintenance and all this space for outdoor entertaining. Again, I'm Rick with PMZ Real Estate, the Cardoza Group. Call me anytime at 209-614-8995.